Hey, Sia. How are you?
I am fine.
Then, what are you studying?
Planetary laws of motion. But I didn't get it properly. Can you help me to understand planetary laws?
Yes, why not? Can you also wondered about how Kepler discovered or stated three planetary laws of motion? Then here I am, Suhas, from LearnTheThings.com, to help you to understand these three laws one by one. So let's start. Kepler's laws of planetary motion describe the orbits of the planets around the Sun. He published first two laws in 1609, and the third law in 1619. Kepler proposed three laws as: first law is law of orbits, second law is law of areas, and third one law is law of periods.
I already know about that, Suhas. But how these laws work?
Wait, Sia. I explain you one by one in brief. So let's start our journey. Kepler proposed first law as law of orbits. It states that all planets move in elliptical orbits around the Sun, with the Sun at one of the foci of the ellipse. The orbit of a planet around the Sun is shown with the shape of ellipse. Are you good at Sia?
Yes, but what about Kepler's second and third law?
So let's see second law. Second law as law of areas. It states that the line that joins a planet and the Sun sweeps equal areas in equal intervals of time. Kepler observed that planets do not move around the Sun with uniform speed. They move faster when they are nearer to the Sun, while they move slower when they are farther from the Sun. This is explained by this law. Are you good at Sia?
Yes, but what about areas?
Kepler observed that planets do not move around the Sun with uniform speed. They move faster when they are nearer to the Sun, while they move slower when they are farther from the Sun. This is explained by this law. Figure shows the orbit of a planet. The shaded areas are the areas swept by the line joining the planet and the Sun, in fixed intervals of time. These are equal according to the second law. So let's see Kepler's third law. That is law of periods. It states that the square of the time period of revolution of a planet around the Sun is proportional to the cube of the semi-major axis of the ellipse traced by the planet. If r is length of semi-major axis, then this law states that square time period is directly proportional to the cube of its semi-major axis. Kepler's laws were based on regular observations of the motion of planets. Kepler did not know why the planets obey these laws. That is, he had not derived these laws. Sia, can you get at all things clearly?
Yes, I get all things. I understand planetary motion clearly. Thanks to you.
Can you get all things clearly? Comment me. Okay friends, today we will stop here. Let's meet in next video. To watch more exciting videos like this, please like, share and subscribe the channel. And last one question for you. Is planetary laws is universal? Comment the answer. Okay, goodbye all of you.